Hi, my name is Audrey Thomas, founder of Organized Audrey, and today's productivity pointer answers the question, when I have an area in my home or my office that needs organizing, how do I get started? The first thing I like to tell people is that it didn't become messy and chaotic and cluttered overnight, so you need to take your time when you're dealing with it. The second reminder I often tell people is that clutter is a result of delayed decisions. So wherever you have clutter in your life, you have decisions waiting to be made. So put on your decision-making cap and start picking up items and ask yourself the question, do I still need this item? Do I currently use this item? If I don't need it or want it, can somebody else have it? And I like to have some containers, some boxes, or even laundry baskets sitting close by so I can sort things into donations. I can put things into maybe a toss pile. If something's going to be recycled, I've got a container there. And the reason why you want these containers here is to keep you focused on what you're doing, keep you focused on making these decisions. Otherwise, you're going to come across an item that you say, oh, this goes downstairs to the garage, and then you're going to go down to the garage and get completely sidetracked and not even get back to this particular job where you started. And so use those containers to help you make decisions and to move a project along. I hope this productivity pointer has been helpful to you. It's been brought to you by Organized Audrey, where our goal is to help you get more done with less stress. Make it a great day.